Give me the next 10 minutes and I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet that converts. I've used this exact same lead magnet strategy to generate over 9,000 leads and help me to convert those leads into over $18,000 in monthly recurring revenue in the past 12 months. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating your very own in just 10 minutes using AI. Plus, I'll show you exactly how I use this lead magnet to actually make money online. Most coaches either don't know what type of lead magnets to create, or they're creating lead magnets that generate leads, but they don't have a clear path to turn those leads into customers. What I'm about to show you in this video solves both of those problems. I'm going to break this video down into 3 parts. First of all, the prerequisites you need to have before you start. I'll show you how to use AI to build this lead magnet in under 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the complete system that we use to convert these leads into paying customers and revenue for our business. All right, so this is the full system I'm going to be walking you through that helps you to generate leads and then convert those leads into customers. Now, the prerequisite that we want to talk about before we get into creating our lead magnet is creating what we call a product roadmap. So a product roadmap is essentially your step-by-step process that you take people through to go from where they are now, where they have a problem they want to solve, all the way to the transformation and desired result that they want to achieve. Now, you should have a step-by-step process that you take people through to help them achieve that transformation. And that is what we call the product roadmap. And so the first thing that we do with our clients is we help them to build this out. And so this is essentially a very detailed document that walks people through their process. And then once we have that document, we can take it and we can use it with AI to create all kinds of different content, including the lead magnet that we're going to be talking about today. So once we have this, we're going to go into our AI tools next, and we're going to actually build out this lead magnet. Now, once you've created your product roadmap, this is what the final product is going to look like. And what you can see here is it's a very comprehensive document that walks through the exact step-by-step process that we take our clients through to help them achieve the transformation that they're after, which for our clients is a 10K community, okay? And so this gives a lot of context around the steps of our process. And that's what you're going to need if you want a really good output with AI. You've got to give it context so it understands what your process is all about. And so that's what this document does. Now, once you have this foundational asset, you have a very, very powerful piece of content that you can use with AI to create all kinds of different things, including the lead magnet that we're going to be talking about in this video. So what we're going to do now is I'm essentially going to copy this whole document, hit Control C, and then I'm going to head over to a tool called Community AI. This is a series of proprietary AI tools that I've created for our clients to help them to implement the steps of our process a lot faster and easier. So we have tools for creating their offers. We have tools helping them set up, optimize, and launch their communities. We have tools to help them grow their community, both with organic traffic and with paid traffic. And then we have tools to help them to convert their members into paying customers. And so the tool that we're going to be using today is the free course creator. And so what I found is that a free course is the ultimate lead magnet to help you grow your business. This is the exact same lead magnet that we've used to generate over 9,000 leads for our own business. And the great thing about this lead magnet is it also helps you to convert those members into paying customers. And we'll show you how that all works together once we actually create the lead magnet. All right, so after a few minutes, this is the output that this tool is going to give you. This is your free course script. This is what you're going to use to deliver your free course. And I'm going to show you how this free course not only generates leads, but helps you convert those leads into customers. All right, so let me kind of give you the layout of what this looks like. So the first slide, so this is basically going to give you all of the slide text that goes on the slide itself, and then also the speaker notes that you're going to use to actually deliver the content. And what we have here is the first section kind of uses Alex Hormozi's promise, proof, path process for creating content. So the first slide is the promise, right? And then we build credibility on the next two slides by showing who we are and that we have proof and awards and things that we've done to show that we actually know what we're talking about. We've got testimonials to actually build more credibility. And then we show the path, right? And then we dig into kind of showing our audience that we really understand the struggles and the pain points that they're going through. If you can show your audience that you understand at a deep level the challenges, the pain points, the struggles that they're dealing with on a day-to-day basis, and you show them that you really understand that, they're much more likely to believe that you can help them solve those problems. All right. So that's what we're doing here. We're showing them some of the old ways that they've tried in the past that haven't worked. And then we're introducing a new way, which is our new method, right? And then that's when we get into the actual teaching section of the actual program to show them our step-by-step process that is in the product roadmap. So after we do that, we get towards the end here. And then at the end, we show them, we basically go into and summarize, hey, this is the process. This is what you learned today. And this is what the transformation that you're going to get if you implement this process. Now, you have two options at this point. Either one, you can figure it out on your own, or you can actually get expert help. And then at this point, you could either have an offer, like a value stack that you go into to make an offer, or you can actually pitch a call. So if you're just getting started, I recommend pitching a call because you're going to get so much valuable information when you actually get people on a phone call. And that is going to help you to improve your offer, improve your free course, and convert more people into customers. So that's what we do initially, but eventually you could change this out and you could have an offer stack at the end of it. So that is going to be our free course slide presentation that we're going to use. Now let me show you how we're going to turn this script into an actual presentation. All right, so this is a tool called Manus, and this is by far the best slide presentation tool that I've seen, hands down. So this thing uses Nana Banana, which is Gemini's image creator, to create really, really good looking actual slide presentations. So let me show you what we're going to do here. I'm going to go back to my tool in Community AI, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to copy this, the whole thing here, go to the bottom, grab all this. All right. Now, once I have all that created, I'm going to grab this and hit Control C. And then I'm going to head back over to Manus. I've got this prompt here that says, I need to create a slide presentation for this webinar. Here are my color codes. My main color is this. My secondary color is this. Can you give me a few options before I create the slides? All right, so after a few minutes, Manus is going to come back with some options for your theme for your presentation. So let's take a look at a few of the options that it gave us. So this is the first one. I actually really like that one. Very clean and very professional looking. All right, so that's one option. Let's take a look at the next one. That one is a little bit more aggressive. I like it. It looks really, really good, but I'm more of a kind of a minimalist, so I'm not sure if I like that one, but it does look really, really good. I bet that presentation is going to look amazing. And you can come back and you can try the different options as well. And then this is a final one here. I think I'm going to go with the first one. Very clean and kind of my style. So I'm going to go with this one. All right, so once you've given Manus a few minutes and it's gone out, it's done its thing, this is the final product and what your slide presentation is going to look like. Let me show you how high quality of a presentation that Manus creates. So this is our title slide. This is our credibility slides, and you can edit any of the text here. You can edit the images here. This is more testimonials to build credibility. This is the path. So what we're going to cover today, showing them that we have a path that we're going to be teaching them. And then where they are right now, kind of showing them that you understand their problems, their challenges, their pain points, and showing them some of the old things that they've tried in the past that haven't worked, and then the new way that you're going to introduce in this process. And so it continues through the presentation, all very aligned with the exact content that you gave it and with the theme that we created earlier. So now you have a very high quality presentation that you can now record, and then that becomes the ultimate lead magnet that you can use to generate those leads. And again, this is the exact same process that we've used to generate over 9,000 leads for our own business. All right, so now that we have our free course lead magnet, let me show you how we're going to generate leads and then how we're going to convert those leads into paying customers. So this is our 10K community blueprint. This is our business model that we've used to generate now an $18,000 per month revenue business. Also, we generated over $340,000 last year, 2025, with this business model. And essentially what we do is we use what we call a community funnel. The community funnel is probably the best and most simple funnel I've had in over 14 years as an entrepreneur. And this is essentially how it works. Basically, we go out on social media, on YouTube, and using meta ads, we promote that free course lead magnet and get people to join our free community in order to access that lead magnet, right? And so what's cool about the free community is you can start to build an audience that you own and you're not borrowing it from platforms like social media or from YouTube. You're bringing them into a container that you own, and now you have a captive audience that you can put offers in front of, and you can start to monetize that audience. Now, what we do is we basically promote our free course lead magnet. We drive people into the free community. Once they come to join the free community, we have these membership questions that essentially capture their email address and phone number. Now we've generated the lead, right? And we push that lead into our CRM, where we follow up with that lead using email and text message. And then once they get into our community, we have all these different mechanisms that are working to book calls. We have a direct message that automatically goes out through Skool, and then we follow up with DMs as well. We follow up with email and text messages. We have call to actions in our courses. We have call to actions in pinned posts, and then the regular posts that we're making inside the community. All of this working together to get people on the phone call. Now, once we get people onto a phone call, we essentially can ask them questions, understand whether they have a problem that we can actually help them solve, and then what's their current situation and which of our offers is the best fit to help them get the results that they're after. Do they want to go faster and they have a little bit more money? Then we can offer them our high ticket offer. If they want to go a little bit slower, they want to do it at their own pace, we can downsell them to our paid community, and that's our monthly recurring revenue stream, right? And this is how we've built an $18,000 a month business, and helped us to generate over $340,000 in 2025. So this is how we're generating leads and how we're converting those leads into paying customers. And let me show you one of the ways that we're using to actually start to generate those leads. And I'll show you some proof of how many leads we're actually generating. Now, one of the ways that we drive traffic and we generate these leads with our free course lead magnet is by using meta ads. So we actually have a tool in Community AI that will take your webinar script and turn that into high converting meta ad copy. So let me show you an example. This is our tool. And if I click here, we basically pasted in the slide presentation that we created earlier. And then it's going to create 3 different variations of high converting ad copy that we can use inside of our ads to drive traffic to our free community, to get people to join, collect those leads, and get people in our community funnel so we can book calls with those people. And so this is just an example of one of the ads that we've been running to promote our free course lead magnet. And this is the past since November 1st to January 20th. And we've generated over 987 leads. This is just one of the campaigns we're running for this. And very simple ad. We drive that traffic straight into our free community here. And then this is where they join our free community. They answer those membership questions, and we collect their email and phone number and put it into our system. So that's how we're generating those leads. Now, if you watch this video and you're interested in learning more about how the community funnel works, I've actually created a video that walks you through the 4 phases of our 10K community blueprint. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check out that video, and we'll see you in the next one.